Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in a PowerPoint. So tag along and watch the video till end to get fun tips and tricks. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up a blank slide. Let me just open a new slide. Remove the contents from it and you're going to make it completely blank. You're going to go to Insert tab and Shapes and you're going to insert a triangle, an equilateral triangle for your information, and then you're going to decrease its height and increase its width. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and duplicate it about 4 times. Select all of them and duplicate them as well. And what you're going to do is duplicate you're going to rotate the duplicated shapes and you're gonna put them on top of these first triangles and you're gonna put them like this with more spacing between them. Let me just increase the spacing. Select all of them and duplicate them by pressing Ctrl D. You're gonna place them right like this next to each other on top, and you're gonna remove this triangle that is on the last. Select all of these, go to you're gonna group them. Let me just increase their size and let's increase their width as well. Next, let's rotate them into this option, this position. Now what we're gonna do is press Control Shift plus D to ungroup them. Go to Shape Format and merge them by pressing on Union option. Go to Format Shape, and from here you're gonna go to Picture Texture Fill, and you're gonna insert your image and uncheck this box to get a really straight image and not a tilted image. To adjust the size of your picture, you're gonna go to Picture Format and then Crop option, and then you're gonna adjust your picture size as you want it. So let me just adjust the size. There you go. Let's close the format background option panel. Now for the text, I'm gonna copy it from previously made slide and I'm gonna place it right here. The next thing you're gonna do is go to Insert tab, Shapes. You're gonna insert another rectangle like this and you're gonna rotate it and increase its width. You're gonna move it right here and make it as rotating as the triangle shapes are. Change its color to the same color as your text and the icons you have used, and that is what we're gonna do. Next is duplicate this and we're gonna place it right here and duplicate that one rectangle again. We're gonna place it onto the part that is out of the template. First we're gonna select the duplicated the rectangle, and then we're gonna go to subtract them. First select the rectangle that you want to cut the pieces of and the other rectangle, then you're gonna press subtract. So you're gonna do the same for the other rectangle, and there you go. As you can see, the remaining part that is unwanted and out of the template has been removed. So that was all for today in this video. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinion.